Wanted the Chaperone, starring Don Francisco as Norberto Viray Jr. Next, Doña Petra as Nean Lago. Next is Nena as Cindy Montano. Next is Robertine as Jetro Arellano. Next is Doña Dolores as Arian Fiona Lindro. Next is Fred as Charles Umlas. Next is Francisco as Jerby Bartolome. Next is Pablo as Paul Lucas.
Hey, are you okay?
And for the commercials, the newscasters are Gemma Torres and Teresa Raso. The other commercials are The Red Horse and The Lady's Choice, starring Ivan.
Special thanks nga pala sa Jetro Arellano's house, paint shop, Jollibee store. Thank you for the tissue.
Sinabi na niya lahat.
Okay lang yun.
Thanks for they put the head of the and they put the sportswear. And also to the jewelry.
Tama na, next.
I'd like to thank you, Cindy.
Ginaluan nila yung bahay ko.
Huwag mo naman ganita.
Next.
Una, pagkita ako.
Sasayaw si Ari, sasayaw si Ari.
Hello, Sabi.
Paul.
Thanks to Rina, thanks to Rina.
I would like to thank, of course, God for helping us.
Rina.
I'd like to thank Dr. Vicky Bella for running.
And thanks, Dr. Galayan.
Dr. Alain. No.
Tita.
Nakakamay ako, Tita Rio.
Hello to my mommy. Hello sa mga tita ko sa States.
Joyride! 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 Don't forget the feng shui! Joyride!
Oh, it might be you, ha? Ayaw mo lang might be you.
Wala si Lore.
Hoy, Itbulaga everyday! Star Pogi! Ano na? Hoy, Paul, mas pulago na, Paul, mas pulago!
And last but not the least, here are the two persons behind the scenes starring Baguio Christine. She is the director, and Miss Charisse Del Mundo. She is the producer.